guys, it's Sahasra. I'm from Blue Narwhal, and today we're going to be making Gavvalu. Here are the ingredients. You will need wheat flour, jaggery, ghee, and oil for deep frying. Let's get started. Okay, so now we are going to mix the wheat flour, some ghee, and some water. Make sure to mix it with your hand or spoon to make it soft. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video. Okay, so after you got all the ingredients you have to mix it. It's just like mixing clay with Play-Doh, so like you take some and play with it. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Okay, I've done mixing it up. So now we're going to make it. Let's go to the table and do it. Okay, so now we're going to get ready for the second part. You're going to need a big plate, and after that you're going to need this. This is what we make it with, and you can buy this at Indian stores or in India. Okay, so we're going to start off by making small round balls, putting them on the plate. Good. Make sure they're all the same size. Okay, so I'm done. I filled this plate, and now it's time to get to the part where we shape them. That's what this is for. Okay, take this. Do that. I'm gonna do that again. These are really easy and the ball is really smooth. Okay? So, now that we've done these many, let's get on to the frying part. Okay, now we've started frying them. Frying only takes like 4 to 5 minutes. So stop when you see a goldish tint to them, okay? Make sure that the temperature for the oil is at least 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We fried them. It's not finished though. I mean, these aren't sweet. So what we have to do is we're gonna mix it with jaggery syrup and then we'll be done. So let's mix it. Okay, so we got this bell and mixed it with water to make balsam, and this is how we're gonna mix it. We gotta put it in a bowl as big as this, and then start mixing it. We have to mix it until all of the pieces melt. Now we are starting to make the syrup. Mix the jaggery with some water. Boil it on the stove until you see bubbles forming on top. It's a really good gold color. Okay, so we're done, and how we know if it's ready is we put some in a bowl with water, and if it's like really nice and smooth, then it's ready. Looks like it is. Okay, now taste testing time. I'm gonna eat it. It is ready. This is really good, crispy and sweet, and it only takes 1.5 hours to 1 hour to make. So you can make these yourselves. If you do decide to make them, don't forget to tell me how you did in the comment section. Bye!